In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Dogecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Doge succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 $0.65% $0, 0858 2023 01 27 plus 0.32% $0, 0866 2023 01 28 0.89% $0, 0856 2023 01 29 plus 7.53% $0, 0928 2023 01 30 plus 1.35% $0, 0875 2023 01 31 plus 0.34% $0, 0866 2023 02 01 plus 5.59% $0, 0912 2023 02 02 plus 7.44% $0, 0928 2023 02 03 0.30% 8 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2023 to 2023 Feb plus 2.76% $0, 0887 2023 blemish 5.56% $0, 0815 2023 APRA 7.94% $0, 0795 2023 May 4.02% $0, 0829 2023 Gen 3.17% $0, 0836 2023 Joel plus 1.00% $0, 0872 2023 AUG plus 6.58% $0, 0920 2023 SEP plus 7.26% $0, 0926 2023 OCT plus 7.42% $0, 0928 2023 NOV plus 16.90% $0, 1009 2023 DEC plus 10.63% $0, 0955 2024 Jan plus 14.00% 9 cents. DOGE value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees Doge coming to 12 cents in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around 20 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our determining model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a momentary hypothesis with a decent leave methodology. Dogecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a furious contest from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the task is dubious. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a tycoon? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment anytime from now on. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 7 cents. In the long haul, it will in all probability drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and become more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first-mover advantage, it brings no extraordinary offer, it has a frail group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul. Most of undertakings will fall flat. A few new companies are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition, yet most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly are pointless for the market. Vitalik Buterin, fellow benefactor of Ethereum, said, "There are a few smart thoughts, there are a great deal of extremely poorly conceived notions, and there are a ton of incredibly impractical notions. And many tricks too. Thus, more than 95% of fruitful ICOs and digital currency tasks will come up short and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of tasks will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? Assuming that we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and passionate local area. It is irrational to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance assuming that is the main pivot for the venture. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017, with not a single specific premium and genuine use cases to be seen, aside of a regular utility and foundation tipping. Yet, Dogecoin People Group is consistently a pleasant spot for a decent snicker. It is an image realm of cryptographic money world. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed? Explanations behind Dogecoin to go up and ascend in cost are scant. It is as yet one of the most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun once in a while. However, we just don't see the reason for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is as of now taken up by Bitcoin and other more serious tasks. Dogecoin could hibernate its way into the future as a nostalgic worth that early adopters continue esteeming and utilizing for image and joke purposes. For what reason will Dogecoin fizzle? The greatest danger to Dogecoin is quite possibly of their greatest benefit, their utilization case. This is a joke coin, never intended to remain alive this long, nor to arrive at these market covers and market openness. In the long run, the joke will quit being entertaining and the